Hello guys, and welcome back to Culture Trading Hub. It's yet another very exciting episode that I'm presenting to you. In this case, I have a new robot that I'm going to give you guys, and this robot is basically the first ever robot that we ever created when we came into this Deriv markets, and this robot has proven to work over and over again. Now I'm here to give you a complete guide on how to use it and also provide the bot to you for free. So make sure you stay tuned, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, make sure you like this video and share with a few of your friends. So I want to take you straight to the markets and show you how basically you can use that robot. Then what you need to do is just to basically get the robot, go into your market, test it extensively, and if you trust it, then you can definitely go ahead and use it to make some money in your market. So let us dive straight into it without much further ado. So guys, I know by now everyone knows how to load a robot. If you don't know how to load a robot, just go ahead and watch the video on how to load any robot that we have just done recently. Then come back and then we are going to continue. So the first thing is that we are going to load the robot. So we're going to look for the robot and then we are going to just load it. So it is basically the African culture auto analyzer. So this robot is so simple to use that you don't need anything. You just want to load the robot, and then after you have loaded the robot, you go ahead, and the first step is to go ahead and click on the run bar or on the run icon. So you click on the run. So the first thing it asks you to input is the stake. So the stake that you want to stake with, you put it there. Number 2 is the stop loss. So the stop loss, you can put it as same as your stake. So you can put it as same as your stake or a little bit higher, something like double your stake. Then on the take profit, then you're going to input the amount of money you deposit. Like the amount of money, in this case the take profit should be 10% less than your stake. So if we have inputted a stake of 20, then the take profit should be 18. So I want us to just go ahead and click run because the bot itself is auto. So you can see we have already made the first run and the second run and the third run, final run. We only need to run 4 times. So you can see the African culture auto bot 1 has successfully printed for you 18.52, and it is as simple as that. So as we have said, in this case you need to you can now reset again. The bot is automatic. This bot is automatic. So just click on run. Everything is simplified. After you click on run, you input the stake. So you can put the stake again. The stop loss follows, and then the take profit we have said it is basically the take profit we have said it is basically 10% less than the stake. Then you click on OK and you wait for the bot to run. So it is basically as simple as that. You might see sometimes it has some delays because it's doing its own analysis and basically waiting for the market conditions to be okay for the bot to run. Again, if the delay is quite a lot, then you need to know that probably the problem is not the robot, might be the system itself. So again, something to note is that it has a martingale factor of 5.3. So in this case, if it makes a loss, it's going to multiply your stake by 5.3. So that is something that should be noted, and that's why we are avoiding this robot making very many runs. Remember the Russian differs that we did had a martingale of 11. So if you're using this one, then this one is a little bit better. You can see even the return is good. So you can see we have made a loss. I don't know if we are going to be able to recover. I don't know if the bot is going to. Let us wait and see. So we see how much it sticks with. So sometimes you need to be patient with these markets. Yeah, you can see it has staked with 126. So it is important for you to have an account that can be able to allow your martingale to run. Again, let us try it for the last time, see if the actual performance of the robot now. So again, we are going to input 20, and then also on the stop loss I'll put like 40, and then on the take profit we input 18, because we want it to only make 4 runs and hit take profit, because we always expect that that bot is going to hit on 4 runs and basically hit take profit. I'm still going to educate you more on how to use this robot perfectly, looking at the market for some good entry points. But even if you don't have you have the robot itself, the robot is analyzing the market for you, and in this case it is very simple for you to make some money. And if you make the amount of money that you're staking, you're good to go. So I don't think I don't see the reason why you should be over trading in the market, because sometimes you hear a lot of cases whereby people have made money, then they continue trading, and then they end up losing some money. I had a case of a guy who grew $10 all the way to 70, only to, with Russian differs, that is, only to blow the account up because the Deriv started manipulating the market. So it is good, if you make some money, exit that market as fast as possible. So yeah, test it out and then you're going to give me the feedback.